What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video, if you have those wrinkles under your eye, darkness caused by sun or sometimes cream reaction, and then you have a puffy eye, now I have a remedy for you. Okay, well, of course, if you're using any cream that is actually making your under eye dark, you have to discontinue using that cream, because if you still use the cream and want to use this natural remedy, it's not going to work, because in this remedy there is no chemical. Okay, so it can't just poof like a miracle. All right, but if you're not using any of that and it is just caused by sun and some factors, you know, like lack of sleep, you know, not taking too much of water, now stay put, because it's gonna work for you. But you have to also consume water, because your skin needs water to hydrate. Okay, so let me walk you through the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and thumbs up. For a dark under eye and a puffy eye, guys, we're gonna be making use of fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera gel can help you deal with puffiness. It helps your skin in retaining moisture and it helps for wrinkles and fine lines on the face. It also prevents premature aging of the skin by improving the elasticity of the skin and repairing the skin cells. It's also a natural remedy that helps to calm puffiness, darkness. We're also going to be making use of cucumber. Cucumber is a great remedy that reverses skin tanning, controls puffiness of the eyes. It helps sort sunburns, it rejuvenates the skin, it treats open pores, fights cellulite, reduces dark circles, and it's a great remedy that works wonders in removing or eradicating water retention. And then we're also going to be making use of yogurt. Yogurt helps in reducing wrinkles and as well as fine line. It fights acne, fade blemishes, and pigmentation, reduces dark circles, treats skin infections, and it salts sunburns. So it's going to help to remove the puffiness of the eye, and it's going to also help to calm the redness. And then rose water and glycerin is going to be very, very useful. Rose water has been used for skin redness. The antibacterial property helps to reduce acne. The anti-inflammatory property can reduce skin redness and puffiness. It helps for soreness. Due to its astringent property, rose water is exfoliant that helps to remove darkness and puffiness from the under eye, and as well as removing wrinkles and fine lines. Okay guys, so for the aloe vera, we would have to prepare this aloe vera by removing the peel of it. And then we'll be needing the gel. So this is just how I'm going to be extracting the gel. So I'm going to blend the gel. Alright, so done blending the aloe vera. Now I would have to be transferring that into the bowl. Alright, so for the yogurt, guys, you're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of that. And then for the cucumber, I'm going to be cutting just a little of this. And then we'll have to blend it. Or rather, crate it, okay, to extract the juice from it. So now I have to be turning the cucumber to extract the juice from it. And in this remedy we don't need the chaff, we just need the cucumber. And here is the juice. So I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of this cucumber juice into this treatment, as well as putting half teaspoon of rose water and glycerin, and that's. And now we'd have to stir this all up. Now I would love to use this to stir it so that all of these ingredients could mix really well. Alright, so you can see how well mixed it is. Alright guys, so this is it looks really friendly, and for this guys you have to use it about 5 times in a week for a very positive and rapid result. 5 times in a week is going to be really perfect, and it's going to make this really work really well. Okay, so here you got your remedy for puffiness and dark under eye. Okay, so what you're gonna do is use a brush, and then you apply this at your dark under eye area. And you also have to apply it at the side, okay? Because most of the time, not only the underside will be dark, the upper side and around this other side too is usually dark and puffy, okay? So you apply it all over round. The same thing with this other side. Make sure you apply a good or generous quantity of that, okay? And poof. Okay, so after you have applied it like this, you'd have to leave it for it to, you know, just get into your skin, okay? And then you are going to begin to see that from the very first day you apply this, you're going to begin to see a whole lot of improvement. Well, it's not just going to like remove all of the darkness at once, but it's going to begin to fade it all up, okay? And the result is going to be very visible, like a very visible result, okay? Apply it generously. Make sure it is a generous application, because of course this thing is actually much and is natural. The remnants, you can put it in your refrigerator, refrigerate it. Do not let it sit without being kept in a refrigerator, okay? So that the full benefit of that could be achieved. Alright, so for this you would have to hold it on for a couple of minutes, and if you have a wrinkle around the side, yes, be rest assured that when you finish applying this for like some days, okay, for some days, you are going to begin to see that your skin is going to begin to get tighter, stretch, and more rejuvenated. Now if you want, you can also apply it all over your face for a very positive result. Now if you're having darkness, like for me, I have pimples around here and around here, which is actually fading off. I would love to apply it all over, so you can also equally apply it all over your face, okay? And this is going to help for any wrinkles around, those forehead wrinkles and all of that. So it's a very good treatment for your wrinkles. So after a generous application, then you can hold for like 3 minutes thereabout. But for the under eye area, you can hold for like 5 minutes, and then you go wash it off and you use a toilet soap. Apply. You can see I have my toilet soap, African black soap, very mild, with mild ingredients mixed in it. Okay, so that's basically what I use. I prepare it myself, and then you use that, and alongside with a very mild cream, those puffiness will be gone. So for you to get rid of those puffiness, you would have to refrigerate this anytime you want to use it. Let it be very chilled, so that when you just rub it on your face, you are going to be, you're going to be feeling the coolness, like it's going to cool and calm your skin, and it's just going to work really fine. Trust me, consistency is one of the keys to this thing called natural remedy. Perfect. Alright guys, so that says, just like I showed you guys, do that, and your darkness under your eye, your wrinkles, the fine lines, and those puffiness. Now when you want to use it for a puffy eye, like those solo parts, you have to refrigerate it for it to be like almost frozen. Okay, then you use it. Now the coolness of that is going to calm the nerves of your eye, and then it's going to go down and it's going to get lighter, and those wrinkles are just going to disappear, and you are going to be loving your results. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and thumbs up, and I'll come your way again most definitely. And bye guys.